Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your browser. It can be any browser. Then go to google.com. Then here type MetaTrader 5. Okay. Click on the first one. Make sure you are in MetaTrader5.com. Then choose the one you want. We have here Windows, we have Mac, and we have Linux, and we have Web Terminal. Of course, we have the mobile versions. So for me, I will choose Windows. It's the same thing. Now you have to choose the place where you want to place your software. So click on Save. Now go to Downloads and click on MT5 Setup. Click Yes. Click Next. Now wait for a moment until this one finished. Now just wait for a moment. And as you can see, this is our MetaTrader 5. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.